If you need to print an Evernote note, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simplest way to print your notes using the Evernote desktop app on both Mac and Windows. I'll also show you where to find the print option, how to choose your printer, and how to adjust the page settings so your note comes out exactly the way you want. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Evernote desktop application on your computer. This method works best on the desktop version because it gives you full access to the print controls. Once Evernote is open, find the note you want to print and click on it so it opens in the editor. Make sure you're viewing the correct note before moving on, especially if you have a lot of notes saved in your account. Now, to open the print menu, look at the top menu bar. On Mac and Windows, click Note to the top and then select Print. That will bring up your System Print dialog. If you don't see that option right away, there's another easy way to do it. In the top right corner of the note, click the More Actions button, which looks like 3 dots. From that menu, choose Print Note. Either method will get you to the same print screen, so use whichever one is easier for you. Once the print dialog opens, the next step is to select your printer. You'll usually see a list of available printers connected to your computer. Pick the physical printer you want to use. If you're printing to a PDF instead, you can choose a PDF printer option if your system has one available. This is useful if you want to save the note digitally instead of printing it on paper. After choosing your printer, take a moment to adjust the print settings. This is where you can control how the note will look on the page. You can choose portrait or landscape orientation, depending on how your note is formatted. You can also select the paper size, like letter or A4, and decide whether you want color or black and white printing. If your note includes images, tables, or wide formatting, landscape may work better. If it's mostly text, portrait is usually the best choice. It's also a good idea to review the preview before printing. The preview lets you check margins, spacing, and how the content fits on the page. This can help you avoid wasting paper or missing important information on the printout. If something looks off, go back and change the settings until it looks right. When everything looks good, click Print to send the note to your printer. Evernote will then generate the document and print it using the settings you selected. In just a few moments, your note should be on paper or saved as a PDF, depending on the option you chose. And that's it. You've now printed an Evernote note using the desktop app. It's a simple process once you know where to find the print option, and it's a great way to keep a hard copy of important notes, meeting details, research, or checklists. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practical tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.